Okay, at the risk of being laughed at for this, you will need to develop this skill eventually because these are easy to solve for a lot of you in here. Okay, it says a group of friends go bowling. The cost for each game is $5.30. The cost to rent shoes is $2.50 per person. Total cost is $55.20. If three people went bowling, how many games did they play? So down here I see games. Okay, well that's good to know. But here, there's 3 units, okay? You've got games, people, and money. By the way, wise guys, gals, I'm well aware that I could take 3 times 250, which is 750. Subtract it from 5520. And then divide by 530 to find the cost per game. It's 9. But I can't, first off, I can't screw inside your head. And secondly, eventually the problems ain't going to be that easy. Okay, so there are 3 varying units here. When I have 3 varying units, I don't do a line. What I'm going to do here is make kind of a 3x3 table. And here's what I put. Up on top, I always put the phrase together. And then 2 of these units are labeled up here. Now, games, people, money. Now, games and people are what I'm paying for. So games and people, the 2 things I'd be paying money for. Then down the side, what I write is how many. And how many means non-money. Okay, I'm not concerned about money in that row. And then in the next 2 rows, I am concerned about money, my 3rd unit. And it's money for single and money total. Okay? Actually, I'm going to put money per instead. Money per. Well, the total money is given to us. It's $55.20. Okay? So you can get rid of that. And remember, this is non-money related. Well, I just have 3. 3 people went bowling, so there was 3 people, and I don't know how many games were played. That's what I'm trying to figure out, so that's X. I don't really need this then, okay? And I'm going to scribble out that. I'm not using these 2 today. I'm not using this or this, okay? Now the price per, what's price per game? $5.30. What's price per person? $2.50. Because it's for shoes, okay? So I can take 3 times 250 is 750, but here I don't know this, so X times 530 is 530X, okay? Now you make this into an equation. These are added to get your total. So you minus 750, and 5.30X equals 47.7, and then divide by 5.30, and that's 9, okay? Do I have to do all that work? Well, then don't come crying to me when the problems are hard and you have no clue how to set this up. That's what I'm going to say. And your class doesn't really cry too much, at least in class. You probably do outside, and that's fine. That's your right. Soccer coach is purchasing soccer balls and bags. A coach buys 7 soccer balls and 3 bags and pays a total of $106.80. If the soccer balls cost $12.99, how much do the bags cost? So I've got the balls, the bags, and the money. Okay, those have been identified as important key units. Okay, so together, and the 2 things I'm spending the money on, balls and bags, go up here. And then here I always write how many, and this is not money related. It has nothing, that's the only row that has nothing to do with money. Dollars per, dollars total. Dollars total, we know that's going to be 106.80. Cross that out. Non-money amounts. Well, I've got 7 soccer balls, so I've got 7 balls and 3 bags. We don't need these 2 here today. Now, what's the price per? Well, the balls cost $12.99 each, but I don't know the bags, so that's X. So I can take, to find the total, 7 at $12.99 each. I take 7 times $12.99, and that's $90.93. So that's the money total for the balls. But the bags is 3X. Well, I know the overall totals here. Those are added together, so I subtract 90.93 minus 90.93, so 3X equals 1587. Now I divide both sides of the equation by 3. And 15.87 divided by 3 is $5.29. So they cost $5.29. Okay, I go 2 on the back. You have 2 of these to do. They're easy problems. But Noah and Kate are shopping for new guitar strings in a music store. They buy 4 packages of strings and 1 music book. The book costs $16. Their total cost is $72. Find the cost of 1 pack of strings. So I've got strings, or packet, we'll say it's packages, books, and money. Just abbreviate the units. So your job is to find out how much 1 pack of strings cost. Okay, so TOG together, and then just put pack and books. How many, the money single, the money, or money per, sorry, money total. All right, so we know our total cost is $72. That's established. Okay, how many? Well, that has nothing to do with money. So packages, you bought 4. We don't need these 2. And the books, well, we bought 1 of those. Now, what's the price for per package? Well, I don't know. If I knew, I'd have my answer. So that's X. And what's the price of books? Well, I know that's 16. So you got 4X, and that's going to be 16. So it's 4X plus 16 is 72. So I take away 16. And 4X is going to equal the 56 divided by 4. And 56 divided by 4 is 14. $14. Okay, so you see 3 varying units instead of 2. So I do that, but if I see there's 3, the line doesn't do me much good. Okay, you sell necklaces and bracelets at a craft fair. Each necklace will be sold for $5, while each bracelet will be sold for $7. You want to make $445 at the end of the day. 40 necklaces are sold. How many bracelets will need to be sold to meet your goal? Okay, so again, you've got bracelets, but you're also selling necklaces. Those vary. And you've also got the money. You could have actually done this with a line because the book, you're buying 1 of them, so that doesn't vary in quantity, but you can also do that. But this one definitely varies in quantity. So 3 significant units to the problem. Okay, so you got bracelets and necklaces are the 2 things being bought, and then together, we'll use that together column more, but we don't need it for these problems. And then how many, the price per, and the price total. Okay, so the total price is $445. Okay, now how many? This is non-money related. Okay, 40 is the only one I have, so I know there's 40 necklaces. Don't know how many bracelets. Okay, now this is money. Dollars per bracelet would be 7. Necklaces is 5. So you got 7X, and this is 200. And together that makes our grand total. So I minus 200, minus 200. So 7X equals 245. I think that, no, it's not. 245 divided by 7 is 35. So you have to sell 35 bracelets. Now, I'm well aware some of you are like, I ain't doing that table. That's fine. I'm not going to get on your case if you're getting the right answer, but eventually you're going to need it. Trust me.